Now we're going to take up one more problem on projections of solids, the problem number 150, how to solve this problem by using AutoCAD software. A square pyramid of 35 mm sides of base and 60 mm axis length rests on HP on one of its slant edges. Draw the projections of the pyramid when the axis appears to be inclined to VP at 45 degrees. So this is the problem, and this is going to be the final solution. So to do that, first we'll go for the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode, and switch on the ortho mode. The command is limits 0, 0, upper right corner is 297, 210, then zoom all, then go to line, select arbitrary point, take the distance as 297, take the cursor to the top side and give the distance as 210, select the cursor to the left side and give the distance as 297 and say close. Then go to zoom extends and zoom 0.6x, then go to layer, click on new, type the layer by name XY, click on new, type the layer by name axis, enter, click on new, type the layer by name front view, enter, click on new, type the layer by name top view, enter, click on new, type the layer by name front view hidden, enter, click on new, type the layer by name top view hidden. Then you just go to layer 0, make that as 0.05, XY line, make it as 0.13, then axis line 0.05, then go to front view, make that as 0.5, and then take top view, make that also as 0.5, but front view hidden should be 0.3 and top view hidden should be 0.3. Then go to hidden line type, click on that, go to load, type center, OK, and click on load, type H now, hidden, and say OK, click on hidden and say OK, hidden line type, front view hidden also, you select hidden, then we have axis line, continuous, make that as center line. Then you just go to color of that, make it magenta, say OK. The front view will going to have red color, and the front view hidden will also have red color, and the top view will going to have blue color, and top view hidden will also have blue color, and say OK and say close. Now we come down to this. Draw a square of 35 mm side at an angle of 45 degrees. So the polygon number of sides is 4. Take the edge option, select some arbitrary point, take at the rate 35 less than 45 degrees. Then go to line, take INT of this and take intersection of these two. Then go to line, take INT of this and take intersection of this. Then you select then you select this entire thing and go to layer, make that layer as top view, and then switch on the line weight display. Then go to move, select this and move it appropriately and keep it. Then go to the ortho mode on, then go to line, take this distance and take the distance as 60. So go to offset, take the distance as 60, and then go to line, take INT of this, take perpendicular to this line, then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this line, then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this, and then go to intersection part of these two, then intersection part of these two, go to fillet between these two and fillet between these two, then go to erase this, then go to break, first point, take INT of this and say at the rate. Then you select this and you select this, go to layer, make that layer as front view. Then you copy the initial front view first position and then copy and rotate it by such that it will going to get a slant edges resting on HP. So then just go to copy, select this and you copy this here, then go to rotate, select this entire drawing, then go to base point, take INT of this, take reference, the reference angle, you take this as the angle, then you rotate it and make it horizontal. Then go to move, select this, move it nearer, then go to line, take INT of this, then go to line, take INT of this, then go to line, take INT of this, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge and object to trim as this. Then go to line, take int of this, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection of this. Then go to intersection of this and then go to intersection of this. Then you take intersection of this and then intersection of this and then intersection of this. Then go to zoom window. Then go to break. First point, take int of this and say delete. Then break. First point, take int of this and say @. Then break. First point, take int of this and say @. Now you just select this line, and this line. All the exterior edges, the boundaries of the solids are visible, and these two edges are visible because the surface near to the earth is visible. So then go to top view. Once you come down to this, then you click on this and go to layer, take that layer as top view hidden and make this distance as 15. So once you do that, then you just come down to this, then go to line, take int of this on this side, then go to line, take int of this and draw int of this, then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line. Then you just go to copy, select this entire drawing and copy it to the next position, and then you rotate that by an angle of 45 degrees. Then go to rotate, select this, rotation angle as 45 degrees. Then go to ortho off, then go to move, select this and place it wherever you want. Then go to zoom window, then go to ortho on, to take line, int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of these two, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line, and take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between this line and this line. Once you do that, then go to line, take int of this and 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 take intersection point of this. Then go to line, take int of this and take int of this and take int of this. Then go to break, select this first point, take int of this and say @. Then break first point, take int of this and say @. Now once you do that, so now we have this line. So you just go to click on these lines and go to layer, make that layer as XY. Then you just click on this, all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible and the surface nearer to the observer is visible. So you just click on this and go to layer, make that layer as front view. Now you just come down to this again and you just click on this line and go to layer, make that layer as top front view hidden and take this dimension as 15. Once you do that, you just come down to this line, go to layer, make that layer as axis layer and take the distance as 10. Now we have the break command, so break this till here, and now you just go to DDIM, so go to modify and come down to make this precision as 0, text as 3, align with dimension line, center becomes above, take this dimension as 3, take the arrow size as 3, then go to line, select the offset from the origin as 3, OK, and save close. Now you just switch off this, then go to dim, take int on this and take intersection of these two. Then you switch on the ortho mode, then go to int of this and take intersection point of this. Then you just take 60, then go to angular, select between these two, and here you will go to get it as 45 degrees. So now we have the D text. So here take the text height as 3, and you mark this as X, you mark this as VP, and you mark this as HP, and this as Y, and here you mark this as small a, B, C, and D. Here it is O, here it is O1, and you mark this as O dash, here it as A dash, here it as B dash, here it as C dash, here it has D dash in bracket, and here it has O1 dash in bracket. So once you do that, then go to move, switch off this ortho mode, you take A, you take O, you take O1, you take C, you take D, you take B, you take VP, you take HP, you take A dash, you take B dash, you take D dash, you take O1 dash, then C dash, then O dash. Now you just click on all these things, change that layer to the top view, then you click on this A dash, B dash, D dash, O dash, O1 dash, and C dash, and then go to layer, make that layer as front view. Now you just go to copy this C dash here and this O dash here, then you copy this B dash here and this D dash here and this O1 dash here, then this A dash here, then copy, you take O and that O will come here, you copy O1, that O1 will be here and that same O1 will come here, you copy A and that A will come here, you copy B, that B will come here and that B will go here, and you copy C, that C will come here and that C will be here, and you copy D and that D will come here and that D will be here. Then go to DD edit, you make it as O1, and here similarly you make this also as O1, then go to move, so you move it accordingly and you place it. Then go to D text, so here you mark this as A dash, and this as B dash, and this as O dash, and this as O1 dash, and this as C dash, and this as D dash now. Then go to move, select this, move it appropriately, and this as O1 dash, this as B dash, and this as C dash, and this as O dash. So you click on this, you click on this, click on this, and you click on this, and you click on this, go to layer, make that layer as front view. So this is how you will be able to get this final solution by using AutoCAD software. So this is the final solution on the square pyramid. Thank you.